Hey you guys, it's getting hot out there and we don't want your summer to fizzle out.
No, we don't want it to fizzle, we want it to sizzle. And we know how busy you get during the summer months with kids out of school and just family coming into town. So what we want to do is set you up for the next 3 months, June, July, and August, with all of your marketing so you don't even have to think about it.
So our next pop-up marketing event is going to be May 9th from 11 to 1 here at our Rivulon office, and we have a ton of awesome marketing assets for you guys.
You're gonna get some print material, you're gonna get video, little snippets that you can post on your social media, even email if you'd like. We're gonna send you away with all of that so it's a no-brainer over summer. You can relax and enjoy by the pool with a pina colada.
That's right, but you have to be here to get all of this awesome marketing stuff, so RSVP and let us know you'll be here.
See you soon.